This kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 41 of building Thanos' Infinity Gauntlet. This issue we're continuing, as ever, the forearm. We're on part 8 of the forearm. It's quite big already and it's going to get bigger. Looking at the magazine, we've got the Annihilation Wave. That's Silver Surfer. I know that. I know things. Well, I know at least one thing. There we go. If you want to pause and read the words, feel free. I'm just looking at the pretty pictures myself, but there you go. The centre of the forearm, part 8, and another base piece as well. This is, as I suspected, doing the same on the other side, but lots more screws to put in this time. 5 screws to put in this time around. So we shall get that done very shortly. We'll have a look at the base and see if we can figure out how it's going to fit together. I don't think we can with this piece, but there we go. Nihilus, Lord of the Negative Zone. Interesting name. He annihilates people for a living. That's probably his job. There we go. And looking at Andrea DeVito. Cosmic Blood. Don't know about that. There you go. That is that, and that is that by the looks of it. Right, let's clear this out of the way and let's get this part built. So here we have the parts in this issue. We've got another base part, exactly the same as the first part that we got, and a mirror image of the last part that we got for the thing. So the base, I'm pretty sure, is going to go together like that. This one is going to go like so, ready for the third one to fill in that final surround. Now this is not really going to fix to anything. I'm sure the top piece is going to fix together. It's got these posts that side, so that's going to fit into those posts that side. And then, obviously, all of that will just go together thusly, except that way up. So, yeah, I shall just put this aside, being careful not to damage the important side, until next delivery, when probably not going to finish it then, but there'll be another 5 issues in the next pack. So we'll have the final one of those, 2 more top pieces, and possibly the fitting. So it might finish it. You never know. So yes, let's get this done. We've got some screws. I'm not going to open that packet. I'm going to use the 5 screws that I've got spare from previous ones to leave a full packet, which is always nice. So this is fitting onto here. It's filling in that gap there. That way round, in fact. Goes on a bit like that. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and again another blanked off one, which is just going to cover over up there. So that's going to go on there, a bit like that. It might need some gentle manipulation to get everything lined up. That's definitely lined up there, and that's lined up there, and that's just going to have to squish down a little bit to get the shaping of that right. Let's get the screws out. Get rid of the rubbish. So, yeah, that is that. And that's going to be us done. Get that one through there into that bit. Now, of course, with these, they all need to be very, very tight. Make sure they're nice and secure. But you do need to make sure they all line up. So don't tighten down the first one. Make sure you definitely get all the screws in first before tightening anything down. So like I said, the metal might need to be a little bit distorted or put back in the right shape if it was distorted in delivery to get everything lining up properly. So let's get that one in there. That and the last one will go through there. Feels like a gap through there. So that's going to need a little bit of attention just to like get that lined up properly. But that is going to be that. So there we have that bit completed. Meaty, it's nice, it's lovely. Yeah, that's going to take a little bit of tweaking just to get that right, but there we go. That's that. Another issue completed, another month completed, another delivery done. So thank you very much for joining me on this. I shall post a couple of pictures up of it all sort of with the glove assembled, because it's going to be quite impressive looking now, I think. So thank you very much. Stay safe. I shall see you for more very soon. Between times, there's other part works happening, so I shall see you for those before this one comes back. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.